Hello there, friends. Let's take a quick moment to discuss the huge news out of Aditxt Inc., ADTX. As of 10:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, they're sitting at right around $7.03, up $3.23, or 85%. We've since seen that drop off just a bit, dropping down to about $6.56, or we're up $2.76 a share, or 72%, right around 10:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So took about a half hour for us to drop pretty significantly, about 50 cents a share on that. Obviously, this is through huge volume. Normally, we're seeing about 254,000 shares traded in a day. We are at right around 25 million in shares, I should say, traded. Days range dropping all the way down $6.36 all the way up to $9.50. So we are closer to that lower days range as we see this sort of taper off as far as the excitement is concerned. That doesn't mean that there's not an opportunity. We just got to be a bit more careful, right? So anyways, let's discuss what is going on with their latest press release, which is actually pretty significant. So Aditxt Inc. has essentially entered into a definitive agreement to acquire Evofem Biosciences Inc., the creator of Phexxi, so the first FDA-approved hormone-free contraceptive gel. Evofem posted a $13.4 million in net sales of Phexxi for the first 9 months of 2023, and Aditxt aims to accelerate Evofem's presence in the global non-hormonal birth control market. Valued at about $27.7 billion in 2022 and projected to grow to about $52.2 billion by 2031. Man, oh man, that's a lot of money. Anyways, the acquisition is valued at approximately $100 million. Includes a combination of common stock, preferred stock, and the assumption of certain senior indebtedness. The move aligns with Aditxt's mission to address diverse reproductive health needs and establish a women's health mission within its platform. So, obviously, big old market to attack there. Looks like Aditxt is going after this gel that obviously provides a little bit more security for women's reproductive needs. Phexxi represents a groundbreaking shift in women's health care by offering a non-daily hormone-free contraceptive choice, challenging the norm of daily hormonal contraception. The acquisition is expected to leverage Phexxi's success in the U.S. with an 82% approval rate to access untapped global markets and capture a substantial market share. Evofem's consistent sales growth aligns with rising demand for innovative contraceptive solutions as well, and the post-acquisition integration into Aditxt platform aims to strengthen Evofem's ability to enter global markets and address crucial women's healthcare needs. The transaction is subject to approval from both Aditxt and Evofem stockholders and regulatory conditions, with the closing anticipated in the first half of 2024. So, essentially, Evofem is going to become a wholly owned subsidiary of Aditxt, and it'll be actually led by its current management team, including the CEO as well. So, let's talk about 10 key points we've got from this list here. So, first, it's an acquisition agreement. So, Aditxt has agreed and entered a definitive agreement to acquire Evofem Biosciences Inc., and the creator of Phexxi, which is a hormone-free contraceptive gel. Now, obviously, that has a pretty important basis here in the United States of America, where we're kind of used to products such as this. However, they're looking to expand and go global with it, which it certainly is an untapped market, to say the least. So the acquisition, again, approximately $100 million, consists of a combination of common stock, preferred stock, and the assumption of senior indebtedness, certain senior indebtedness, they said. Evofem, basically that creator of Phexxi, is the first and only FDA-approved hormone-free contraceptive gel. So another point to consider. Basically, it's convenient, it's discreet, it's flexible as far as a contraceptive method for women is concerned. Also, Aditxt looks like they're aiming to accelerate Evofem's entry into the global non-hormonal birth control market. You've got $27.7 billion in valuation in 2022 and $52.2 billion in 2031. So basically, this is sort of a confluence of two companies coming together that aligns with Aditxt's mission to address diverse reproductive health needs on a global scale. So basically, they're looking to expand not just within the United States, not just within established markets that already has access to quite a few options for birth control, but they're also trying to move into areas in an effective and efficient and convenient way into areas that really don't have these resources at hand. Basically, you're also need to take into consideration this is a non-daily hormone-free contraceptive choice, which I know for a lot of women out there, not that I speak for women, but for the women in my lives, the big concern that they have on a daily basis is basically the amount of hormones that are getting flushed into your system as a result of taking certain contraceptives that are on the market. Clearly, there's a huge market demand. Basically, they say that there's a global demand that's essential for effective family planning, right? 1.1 billion women worldwide, according to their numbers, desire a form of contraception and might not have access to it. So 1.1 billion human beings out there, that is a huge, huge market. So also looking at the strategic advantages, the acquisition is intended to create like a significant strategic advantage for both companies, leveraging the synergies that they already have in place with Evofem, Aditxt, and Aditxt's other subsidiaries. And so it'll be interesting to see what they do as far as the post-acquisition integration of these products. So the Aditxt platform is expected to strengthen Evofem's ability to enter the global markets through more organic expansion, product acquisition, and licensing agreements as well. So we'll see what happens first half of 2024. Keep an eye on it, of course. But as far as today is concerned, as of right now, we are looking. Let's do a quick refresh, see where we've gone. Kind of still sitting pretty solid, about 10:57 a.m., right around $6.79 a share. So looks like we've found a bit of a bottom for the moment. We'll see if that holds, and maybe we can return to the day's highs for the rest of the day. But as always, be careful. It's risky out there. Don't take this as my words as being anything that has any importance. Do your own due diligence and make the right choices, people. All right? Take care.